Start convert into rational number with the sign. Our question is minus 6.08. 0 and 8 are the decimal points. This is the first decimal place and this is the second decimal place. This point stands for decimal and 6 is the whole number. For solving this question, first of all we have to put the equality sign and write the question again. The second step is cross the decimal and it will become 608 divided by 100. Why 100? Because we have two decimal points, so put the two zeros and one for crossing decimal. Now check these two numbers. Can we divide these two numbers with the same number? Can we cross these two numbers with the same number? Yes. Firstly, we will start with 2 divided by 2 and divided by 2 equal minus. Minus is the sign with the question. So we have to put with all these steps. 6 divided by 608 divided by 2. So it will become 2 3 times 6, 2 0 times 0 and 2 4 times 8. 2 5 times 10, 2 0 times 0. You can check with the division 608 2. 2 3 times 6 minus, write down the next number, 2 0 times 0 minus, write down the next number, 8, 2 4 times 8. So the answer is same, 304. Write the answer minus 304 divided by 50. Again check with the number starting with 2. Yes, 2 is possible, divided by 2 and divided by 2. 2 1 times 2, 1 on the minus sign is necessary with all the steps. 2 1 times 2, 1 on the carry, 2 5 times 10, 2 times 2 4. 2 times 2 4, 1 on the carry, 2 5 times 10. You can check with the division. Now the answer is minus 152 divided by 25. Now check with 2. Can we divide, can we cross with 2? 152 is divided by 2 but 25 is not possible. Starting with the next number is 3. 152 and 25 is not divisible by 3. With 4 then we have to check with 5, 6, 7. But 152 and 25 is not divisible by any number. So this is the answer. Now we can check. Mixed form is possible? Yes, mixed form is possible because numerator, this is numerator and this is denominator. So mixed form is possible because numerator is bigger than the denominator. You can divide, you can make the mixed form. Now the next question is minus 6.00625. First step is to write the question again. Second step, cross the decimal 0.00625 divided by, how many zeros we have? 1. How many decimals we have? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 for the decimal, crossing the decimal. Minus unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. There is no value for 1,000, 10,000 and 1,000. So 625 is your value divided by unit, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Now check with the numbers starting with 2. 1 2 3 4. Can I divide, can I cross these two numbers with 2? This is possible with 2 but 625 is not possible with 2. Check with 3 4 5 6 and so on. So these two numbers is divisible by 5. Minus 6 1 time 5 1 time 5, 1 on the carry, 5 2 times 10, 2 on the carry, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 2 times 10, 1, 5 0 times 0, 0 times 0, 0 times 0 and 0 times 0. You can check with the division. Our answer is minus 125 divided by 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now check with 2. Division is and crossing is not possible with 2, 3, 4. It's again possible with 5. 5 2 times 10, 2 on the carry, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 4 times 20, how many zeros we have? 5 0 times 0, 5 0 times 0 and 0 times 0. Now again check with the numbers. 2 not possible, 3 not possible. It's again possible with 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 8 times 40. 5 0 times 0, 5 0 times 0. Now these two numbers are divisible by 5. Minus 5 1 time 5. 5 1 time 5, 6 7 8. 3 on the carry, 5 6 times 30, 5 0 times 0. Minus 1 over 60 is the answer, is the simplest form. So can we make the mixed form? No, because numerator is smaller than the denominator. I hope you understood the rational numbers, convert into the rational numbers with the sign and without the sign. So revise your question and do the next questions from your book. Thank you.